What's happening, everyone? Today we're gonna whip up a super quick, very easy, and impressively flavorful side dish using a very inexpensive main ingredient, and that is grits. We're gonna start off with our quick grits. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt, full teaspoon garlic powder, stir it up and cook it according to the directions. It takes about 5 minutes for these quick grits. It's a half a cup of grits to 2 cups of water, basically a quarter cup of grits for every cup of water you add. After that 5 minutes, when we're done cooking, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons of prepared pesto. I'm using that Kirkland signature, Raddad Cooks. He's a Costco guy. Last, quarter cup of Parmesan. Doesn't even have to be fresh. Right out of the shaker will work. Now stir everything to combine. And there you go. You can pretty much serve this with just about anything. Throw some pan-fried shrimp up on top of that, or just eat it by itself. Thank you very much, guys, for swinging by. Hope I opened your eyes up to the amazing dish, which is grits. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you like it, hey, like it. Got tons more recipes with grits coming up, guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. We'll see y'all next time.